Hey, my name's Matt, and this is the Meditation Splash course. It's especially for people who've never had the time to learn to meditate and think they don't have the time to meditate each and every day. It's a method of meditation that we can embody in the midst of busy lives. So whatever your style, dipping your toes or in at the deep end, this course will get you wet. What I'm actually saying is, we'll be meditating before we know it. First, let's explode some concepts. Meditation is not sitting cross-legged in a cave or on a mountaintop wearing a loincloth, although that is fun too. It's not humorless or solemn. It's not when our mind is stuck in a fog or drifting aimlessly. Meditation is the state of non-distraction. It's when we're mindful of whatever is occurring and very practical. With practice, meditation is when we're standing, walking, running, jumping, in a meeting or on a call. However, in the beginning, physical stillness is an invaluable support, and we also want to minimize distractions, so we need to go inside.
So first we'll try a simple meditation, and then at the end we'll look at how all of us can practice it every day, because that's what we need to do if we want to embody it and we want it to make a difference in our lives. Let's just rub our hands together. This is a good way of bringing our attention, our mind into our body. So just feel that contact, skin on skin, as we rub our palms together, rub the backs of the hands. And the palms again. This is good because we can do this at our desk, on the bus, just bringing our attention into our body. Then let the hands come slowly down, resting palms down on your thighs or your knees. Wherever you are, just feel the ground beneath you. Feel your contact with the ground. So if you're sitting, feel your seat. If you're standing, find your feet. Feel your contact with the ground. So So that's number one. Feel the ground beneath you. Second is our posture. We want to be alert yet relaxing because we want the body to inspire the mind. So upright and relaxing. 2 fingers back from the high point of your head. So find the high point, 2 fingers back from that. Imagine a puppet string tied to the crown of your head, pulling you gently skywards. And as that happens, the chin comes in a little. The chest lifts just a little. The belly comes in a little towards the base of the spine, and there's a natural forward curve at the base of the spine. So we feel the back of the neck aligning with the spine. We feel the natural curve at the base of the spine. The vertebrae balanced, one on top of the other, and the head balanced, aligned on top of the spine. So it is possible to meditate when we're slouching, but that's a very advanced practice. For now, we need this alert yet relaxing posture. So that's number 2. Third, feel the breath entering your body and feel the breath as it leaves the body. So our jaw is relaxing, mouth slightly open. Try breathing through nose and mouth as you inhale. feel the belly swell a little. And as we exhale, exhale as if through the belly, nose and mouth. Feeling the breath as it enters the body, as we receive the breath, and feeling the breath as it leaves the body, as we exhale. And let the breath flow in a natural rhythm, just as you find it. So we're not trying to control the breath. We let the breath settle into its natural rhythm. And over time, that will become calmer, slower, and more even. So how are we doing? We're grounded. We're upright and alert, yet relaxing. And we're feeling the natural flow of the breath. That's already a great start. Now, without losing contact with the breath, we relax that attention, that awareness, to include the whole body. So this breath awareness comes into the whole body. Can we be aware of the whole body at the same time? From our toes, tips of our fingers, top of our head. Light, gentle body awareness, supported by feeling the coming and going of the breath. And that's the fourth point. Awareness in the whole body, so grounded, alert yet relaxing, feeling the breath, and awareness in the whole body. So mind is in the body, concentrating, but not too tight, and also not too loose, not too flaky. There's a balance there. And maybe you've had a wobble, you're distracted. No problem. Happens many times. We just begin again. The moment we realize we've been distracted, we're already back. We feel the ground beneath us. We refresh our posture. We feel the breath. And we have light attention in the whole body. Distracted, we begin again and again. Training the mind, bringing the mind home. And then before we finish, maybe you've been sitting with your eyes closed. You can try opening your eyes, just having a soft gaze. So our attention stays in the body. It's as if we're seeing inwardly with the eyes of the senses. We also have our eyes open with a soft gaze, like a panoramic gaze, seeing everything but nothing in particular. And it's good to have your eyes open, at least at the end of each session before you finish, because it helps with integration. It's not such a shock when we enter back into our everyday life. So the final point could be eyes open with a soft gaze. So that's a simple meditation. And I want to ask or suggest that you bookmark this video and you watch it every day for a week and then once a week for a month. Because if we don't become familiar with the practice, we can't embody it and we can't integrate it in our everyday life. But before you say, I have no time to meditate, let's find some time. We have to make the most of what we've got because the perfect conditions very rarely arise. And I'd like to share an idea that came about when I was leading a movement and meditation session. And in between the movement, we were sitting in stillness. And I was just reminding everybody, we're not waiting. We're not waiting for whatever's next. We're meditating. And it occurred to me that as soon as we have a meditation practice, we never have to wait ever again in our life. So whenever we would have previously been waiting, now we're meditating. Several times a day, we find ourselves waiting, isn't it? Sometimes for quite a long time. So instead of wasting that time, we can invest it in our own well-being. So not waiting, meditating. Not waiting for a bus, meditating for a bus. Not waiting at a red light, but meditating for green. And you'll probably find that meditation is refreshing and clarifying. You may even find yourself smiling more. So you can see below in the description more ideas of not waiting, meditating, and where you can share your own examples. And remember, bookmark this video and watch it regularly until you're familiar, because only then can we embody it and can it help us in our everyday life. And then just to say, if you do a 5-minute meditation like this 3 times a day, every day, it will change your life, but no pressure. Good luck and enjoy.